I have got a cupboard full of crap for doing, oh, isn't this a piece of crap videos on. So what do I go and do instead? Instead of doing a video on an existing, I bought this piece of crap because it's a piece of crap I want to do a video on video, what do? I go and buy more crap. It's another Fixed or Phuxxed. It's a Fixed or Phuxxed that is not a TV-based Fixed or Phuxxed. It may be a movie-based Fixed or Phuxxed, in a kind of roundabout way. I'm going to open it. Really hope this is what I think it is, because when it turned up, it wasn't what I thought it was, or more to the point, what I thought it was, I thought wasn't like this. I will explain more anon. Hey! It's an R2. I saw lights and sound R2-D2 not working, and I went, brilliant! Star Wars and Phuxxed to be fixed. This is going to be amazing. And I don't know, for some reason in the picture, I just imagined it being bigger. I've been told things often look bigger in photos than real life, and yeah, this is a bit of a diddy one. But it's an R2, so he's lovable regardless. Size is not everything, is it, R2? No. He is a lights and sound R2 from something that I fear may not exist. There we go. Apparently he's R2, he's all there, but he doesn't light and sound, and I don't think the head turns on these anyway. I'll probably go horribly wrong if I try to do that. Oh, there's a screw in the back. Okay, well, I have not, as you've seen, he is fresh out of his packet. I don't know how he's meant to light and sound. There's a thing there. Maybe he doesn't light and sound because there's no physical... Oh, no, there's... button. Okay, I am pushing the R2 button, and I am getting nothing. So, I am going to grab a little screwdriver, probably find my multimeter, and then I will be back. I said I'd be back, and so I am, with a multimeter and a screwdriver, just as I also said. I'll flick the multimeter on now. It reads no volts, which is quite handy. I'd be scared if it did read volts. I'm not so much scared, annoyed. I'd be thinking, oh dear God, I need to buy another multimeter. I should really buy a screwdriver that fits better while I'm doing that, but nope. Does that come out? You can't see what I'm doing. All I'm doing is I'm doing the screw on the back of the R2, and then it just pulls off like that. There are some batteries. I'm intrigued by this. I'm sure I saw something, a button that just said try me. You said try me. Let me do this where you can see it. I'm not used to this video space yet. It was like that. I then did that, but this time I've thrown it on the floor. But it doesn't really matter, because you cannot see. It does not really matter to me. It does not... Can't get the batteries out. Oh, R2. You infuriating little droid. I don't know how these... You still can't see. I'm going to do this from the side, that way you can continue to see, and so can I. Come on, get a battery out. Yes, this may just be a case of him needing new batteries, in which case this video is going to be a Fixed or Phuxxed how not to take the batteries out of a faulty R2-D2. Well, did you see? That's... Oh no, there it is. Oh, thank God for shiny things. Do we have power? I wouldn't be surprised. I think this R2 is from the mid-2000s. Probably never had new batteries. So I suspect it might just... It's very difficult to try to do this. Wow. Yeah, that's not got a decimal point in the wrong place. That is 0.187188 volts. I am going to attempt to find some... What are these? What are these? Batteries. I'm going to attempt to find some batteries. Then I'm going to attempt to find some that actually fit. Is it an LR44? I don't know. I'm going to see if I have something like that kicking around in a box or drawer, and then I will be back. Again. So I'll be back, and I am. Yeah, I have the finest selection of, this might be a little, I think it was Poundland, and definitely Poundland watch battery, small batteries. Trying to think where they came from. It would be Poundland, wouldn't it? They're going to have been Poundland. I am now... Go back behind the camera. I'm just trying to see, do you think that is the same size? I think that's the same size. Now, which one is the one that came out and which one? Let's put the old ones well over there. And then, you see, that says LR44. In there, I'm going, well, now I've actually looked inside it. LR44. This doesn't say... AG13 357. And AG13 357. Is AG13 357 LR44? I don't know. Am I about to find out? I don't know. Is everything probably about to go on the floor? And I'm going to think, oh dear God, I should have poured the rum prematurely. I don't know. Did I forget to pour the rum? Yes, that much I do know. No, you still can't see me putting batteries in. Right, here is me trying to put batteries into a very small droid. Do I tempt fate? I am not going to tempt fate until I find the missing piece of R2. I'm going to tempt fate. I'm going to put the back on. I really do hope, I'm not going to say believe, I really do hope that it was just flat batteries, because those batteries were very flat. Okay. I'm going to pour it. I'm going to call this, and I'm going to pour it. So I should have already poured it, and that was my mistake. And you know, I have made many mistakes. Not pouring this really is a lesser mistake. As mistakes go, it's barely even a registrable one. Anyway, registrable? Registry? Anyway, right. Enough filling the dead air. Hello, R2. Wait, is that how you really feel about being Lazarus'd back from droid death? No, I'm quite glad to see you too. Yes. Well, as Phuxxed or Phuxxed goes, it's, we need to zoom in. He's very tiny. Tiny R2. Tiny, tiny, tiny R2. As they go, it's not been the most in-depth or complicated one, but you know what? He turned up Phuxxed. And, realm of judgment, he's most definitely fixed.